Have you wondered what happens when you combine a dirty, old, dusty room, a constant sneeze, and a heavy laziness? You get this. The Arriva Dust Detector 0.3 Alpha that we have integrated kaomojis to make monitoring environment actually fun and zero efforts totally. Without further ado, let's see what my partner has to say. Oh, before we do that, shout out to my partner and myself for making this project possible, as well as our professor. Thank you very much for this semester.
First, we set up the ADC from analog dust detector, then throw the value to calculate the dust density value. Then, we set up the LCD for displaying dust density and status. Needless to say, we created floating point conversion to integer for the microcontroller to store the floating point data for display. Next, we set up the timer. The reason why we utilize timer is for optimization in displaying kaomoji animations and displaying dust density amount. So in the meantime, we use separated timer parameters. One is for animation and another one is for dust density collection. Now here's the fun part. We made kaomojis for displaying dust density as the status based on the threshold of the dust in the atmosphere. And boom! We merged both of the system, combined them into the run of the system. Alright, let us inspect our system. We read the ADC value from this dust sensor right here, and then we pass in to convert into the voltage to calculate for the dust amount to be displayed on this LCD right here. As you can see, the kaomoji is now crying because the dust is exceeding 100 of micrograms. It could be critical for those who have allergies if they are not aware. And that actually tells you to go clean your room. Clean my room actually. And we have reached the end. Thank you for watching.